Hello everyone, welcome to Rozzy Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my pounded yam and what I use to make my pounded yam. This is what I use, Ola powder. You can get it in any Africa store or Dino's. So just add water into the pot. So I've already had 1 liter of water into this very pot. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to allow the water to boil out. So my water is very small now because I'm making very small pounded yam. So that's why the water is small. So when the water is boiled out, I will remove from it outside. So when it boiled out, then I will start turning the pounded yam. So that water I remove outside of this pot. I'm going to use it when I feel that the pounded yam, the pounded yam is too strong. Then I can add water to it. So if you don't want to remove from your boiling water, you can as well boil your water with any other kettle or any heater, so that you can have hot water. The reason why I'm doing that is just for me to have hot water by my side in case the pounded yam is too strong, so I can easily add hot water to it. Yeah, the water is already boiled out, so I'm going to take a little out in case when it's too strong I will be able to add the hot water. So I'm going to start turning the pounded yam now. It's too strong. I have to add water to it. That's why I have to keep the water aside. I don't want to add cold water to it at this time. For me, but because this one is for my husband, I'm making it for him, so I just have to leave it like this. Have any soup, you can use it to eat it. Is it egusi? Is it black soup? Is it vegetable soup? any soup you have can go with it. Or is it ogbolo? Yeah, can go with it, my people. So we have done with it. Just have to tie them. Yeah, there's no stain. I love no stain of. Wrapping it with cellophane. If you can get this in a spatula. Yeah, you just have to serve it. So it's super easy, guys. And guys, thanks for watching this video how to make pounded yam. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.